Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Summertime Saga on your PC. So you have to just go to Google, search for Summertime Saga, and you will get this official website of Summertime Saga here. Click on it and automatically you will get an option of download game. So just click on download game here. Once you click on it, here you will get two options, right? The stable version and the preview version. As you can see here, what benefits you are going to get it. Right, so here I will just go and click here the stable version, and here if you're using a Windows or Linux, you can just go and click any one of the link. Same goes for Mac, or if you're using on the Android here. So I'm using a Windows. I will use a mega file because that is easier for me to download. Once I click, I will be redirected to this page. It will load, and here once I click on download, it is around 1.11 GB, right? So once you download it, you can just install it in your laptop or PC, and this is how you can download Summertime Saga. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.